Usually in New York, we don't get a winter. It just gets cold and it gets gray. But like this year, we had a winter. We had snow. And if you have snow, the city salts. It salts incessantly. The cars look just miserable. You know, that white salty powder. So afterwards, I was very eager to get my car cleaned up. And if you're going to get it washed, just go one step further, get it polished. Because the polish is going to make the wash last so much longer. For that, I got myself a portable polisher, and I love this little guy. So very ergonomic, very easy to use. You see how well it fits in the hand. You have a second knob up here, so when you are applying, usually you're going up and down. This makes it very easy to maneuver. In the kit, you get everything you need. So it was a box that got sent to me, and I'm still keeping everything in the box. I didn't have a carrying case, so I'm just gonna see how long the box lasts me. They give you 2 batteries. You also have a status checker in the back. You have the little charging device, which is just the one that plugs into the wall, the AC outlet, and then you have a connection right on the inside of the battery right here where the little charger goes. So I just bring that up because some of them, like if you have the walls from Milwaukee or any Makita, now those dedicated platforms for charging, this makes it a lot easier. They give you a bunch of different nozzles. So this is a Velcro spinning head, and then you have different pads. You have different sort of material depending upon what exactly you're trying to achieve. They don't give you the polish you have to get. On the device itself, so you have the on-off button right here, and then also you have different speeds for it. So this is actually the minimal speed that we're going at. I usually start around a 3, to be honest, a 4, and I finish around a 6. This is the 6, this is the maximum. You can hear it humming, you can see how quick it goes. And it throttles down also, very responsive, easy to swap out heads, and they give you a few different ones. So overall, great little kit. Found the overall price point on it was also very reasonable, and looking forward to utilizing this guy even more. But so far, I'm just glad to have all the salt and dirt off my car and it looking more or less normal. It's already been a few days, but I enjoyed when it looked fresh. So if you're looking for a hand polisher, hopefully this was helpful, and this lets you know if this guy was the right one for you. Take care, stay safe.